you all like my intro. And second of all, what you have witnessed is my bun drop video, which I was supposed to upload on Instagram. But however, how many times I've tried, it won't upload on Instagram. So I was like, you know what, I might as well upload it here on YouTube. However, if you all know the correct dimension on Instagram, please do let me know in the comments down below. I'm not so sure if they changed it, just because before I've been uploading videos on Instagram and Instagram accepts it, but lately it won't really accept the videos that I'm posting. So I'm really not so sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm quite confused. Okay, so now for the main point of this video. I actually was planning to post beginner's guide on how to grow long healthy hair, or especially if you have damaged hair and if you want your hair to be healthy. I'm planning to do kind of like a beginner series off of that, so I would appreciate all of your hair questions, especially if you're just starting out, because I would post all of those contents on my blog, www.beautyklove.com. And also I was thinking, would you guys like it if I accompany those blog posts with videos? Because I know I've done those kind of like similar-ish videos from the past, but they weren't really detailed that much, or probably those videos are old, and some of you, when you ask me those hair questions, I kind of just like tell you to go through my playlist, and some of you are quite lost on where to start exactly, or where those videos are, or if you all want the updated ones, or are you all just so sick of hearing that, and if you all just want me to put that on my blog, because I'm not gonna pollute my channel with that, but however, I'm gonna make a playlist off of it, just so that the new ones who are really aiming to grow their hair long and healthy could follow through those. So if you have any hair questions, especially if you're trying to grow out your hair long, as a beginner, what kind of hair questions would you all address? Just because the topics that I usually would tackle are, like the diet for hair growth, vitamins for hair growth, shampoos for hair growth, or like, the basic questions of like, should you use sulfates and all that. I'm also going to be talking about that hair porosity and all, and also some ways on how to revive damaged hair and so much more. So I'm currently just gathering all of the questions. I've asked this on Instagram, so right now I'm just gonna ask it as well to you guys here on YouTube, so that I will have all of those questions, and then I will start posting them on my blog, beautyklove.com. And also, as I've said, if you all want me to make those kind of like series of videos here on YouTube as well to accompany my blog, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you all want that, because I'm not so sure if you guys would still like to see it. I mean, like my subscribers who have been with me since 2013, because probably, I don't know, probably some of you are like so sick of that. But however, those hair growth videos or get your hair healthy back again videos are going to be very detailed. So that is it. Definitely leave me your hair questions, because I will be making a specific post for each questions that you guys ask. I hope you all are having a great day or night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!